friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen and I hope that you all are enjoying the middle of the summer season. I feel like once the 4th of July hits, the summer flies right on by. So I am absolutely embracing every day I possibly can. And I thought today I would share with you some of my simple summer joys, and because I just want to embrace every moment. And so today, first though, I do have a little makeup on because I am going to run real quick and do a quick workout. And when I work out, I don't like sweat to death or anything like that. I've got some things to do afterwards. And so we're just gonna go about this vlog sharing the things that I love most about the summer season and bring you all along. So welcome my friends, pour yourself a cup of coffee and let's get this day started.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love.
My first simple joy of the summer season is going to our local farmers market.
On the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you have
Having to replace two of our flowers, and anyway, so I grabbed these two hanging baskets, and of course my beautiful blooms. Got some melon, fresh peaches, and plums, cherries. A lot of goodness in here. I can't wait to get home and start nibbling on this fresh fruit.
open air. Side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love. Lonesome dove folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Remember when we were getting nowhere fast.
Now that I got my fresh flowers here on my dinette area, I cannot wait to my flowers in my garden get longer stems so I can put them in a longer vase, like a bigger vase. But right now I do have them in little vases. They are just so cute. Nothing like having your own fresh blooms, but also the ones at our local farmers market are absolutely beautiful too. And of course I got a lot of fresh fruit. I love having fresh fruit around. To me, there's nothing like the flavor of the juiciness of the fruit that comes local. And as much as we can, Mark and I gobble up on all of it. So I want to get that all washed here so I can enjoy some here this afternoon. But I wanted to share with you too, I have some new jewelry pieces. So of course, as friends, I want to share them with you. So this first one, I'm not sure if it's going to be backwards or not. But anyway, this is a gemstone necklace. So you can pick your own birthday if you want stone, but I just like the diamond because it just goes with everything. And of course with my name right here. This necklace is from Mint and Lily. And I'm sure you've all heard of Mint and Lily. I love their jewelry. I have so many pieces that I purchased throughout the years. So they were so kind, though. They did reach out and gift me this. I got to pick a few things. So this one I love. Again, it's my name on my birthstone. I'll show you like a closer up picture. So my new piece. And then, oh, did I put it on yet? Oh, I did. And this one is the beaded stacking set. You can see the 3 here. And I love just to toss on these kind of pieces when I'm out and about running around. And a lot of times I'll just put something on like this and add more bracelets because I just love that kind of look of arm candy. But I think these are so beautiful and fun. And again, you can wear them. I could wear them to work out this morning, run errands, all that stuff. I love them. And I just been eyeing things like this. And I think the price point is fantastic because other ones I've been looking for, they wanted what I got for all 3 of these, or what I would have gotten for all 3 of these. Other companies, I would have spent that much just on one. So I do love these. And then the third thing I have not put in yet, and I have to because I do have already a pair in my second hole here. But these are really similar, and these ones are so old. So these are Pave Huggy Hoops. They have it on like a clip here, so it's just this part, the little part. That's, here, let me see, right here. And I cannot wait to put these in. And also I can put these right here in the first one and just have 2 of them just for that simple kind of look. And I think they are so beautiful. I love huggy earrings. And the great thing is you guys are all getting 20% off if you use my unique link, which I will also post here in the description box. But I am really excited to give you guys 20% off. And again, I love their jewelry. I love how it comes packaged so beautifully, each piece. And you can keep them so they stay really nice. Look how nice that is. So thank you so much to Mint and Lily for reaching out to me. I love my new jewelry. And I love the fact that I can also share things that I love with all of you with a discount code. So don't forget to check that out in the description box. Okay, so what's going on today? So later today, we are going to go to, well, there's a couple festivals going on downtown. There is there's an Irish Fest, which I'm not quite sure why there's an Irish Fest going on in July, but we'll take it. There's also a Greek Fest that's always this time every year. And friends, oh my gosh, the food is so delicious. It's literally coming out of the kitchen as you are ordering it. It is just like homemade, so authentic. And of course the live music, so we're looking forward to that. Now later on this summer, I know we'll be going to the Italian Fest, which is my absolute favorite. And that's the simple pleasures and joys that I love about summer, is going to all these festivals for all the ethnic food. And that's what I love most about where we live, because we do have an array of great authentic food as far as like restaurants. But these festivals are where you really get the good stuff. So we're going to be heading out there tonight, so I will share that with all of you. And then also, oh my goodness, yes, I'm going to make one of my favorite recipes. It's a family favorite recipe that we've had. And I know I've shared it before here on the YouTube channel, but there is no summer without this recipe. So I'll share that with you all tomorrow. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is finish getting my fruit all cleaned up, and then I'll get dressed up for us to head out tonight. Okay, so I don't have my microphone, so hopefully you can hear me. But anyway, we're gonna go head on down. There is a Greek Fest, an Irish Fest tonight, all kinds of stuff downtown. This is gonna be nice and breezy. I love my Hill House dresses. And so I've got this one on today with these cute little flower flip-flops or sandals. And so this is the outfit. So I'm gonna be nice and cool and perfect for a summer night. So that's what I love. The simple joys of summer to me is just enjoying all the festivities and the different nationalities. Like I said, the Irish and the Greek Fest tonight. So it should be a lot of fun. Well, good morning, sweet friends. Well, this morning we're going to have a little bit of rain. Let's hope it clears up because we do have a bocce tonight. And though I'm really wanting some scrambled eggs, and I think a few of our hot peppers are ready for picking. So we're going to saute a hot pepper, make some scrambled eggs, and some toast for breakfast. And then after I clean out the kitchen, we're going to make my family recipe. And of course, it is the macaroni salad that my mom has made. It's been in our family, and I love it. And it's such a simple recipe, and it's so fantastic. And Mark's like, oh my gosh, this to me is summer. And I said, I totally agree. There isn't a summer that goes by that I don't enjoy many times that I make this. So I'm like real excited. I'm gonna be digging into a huge bowl after it's all ready before we head out to bocce today. But let's go ahead and get breakfast started and then start getting everything ready for my macaroni salad. Another simple summer joy. Down. I'm so excited. This to me is summer. Nothing gets better than this. Let me know in the comment section, what is your favorite dish of the summer? I know I probably asked this in years past, but I'd love for us to share in our amazing community in the comment section. Let me know. I can't wait to hear it. Okay, so we're gonna get ready here shortly for bocce. Looks like it's gonna clear up and be a beautiful day. And I love bocce. I love our friends. We have so much fun on our team. No one cares if we win or lose. It's just being together, the friendship and the laughs. It's just really, it is just, to me, part of our summer, really. It's something we've done for, oh my gosh, I can't even remember how many years. It's got to be over 10 years with our same team. Like, they are just the most remarkable people. We are just like a tight-knit family. And we don't, like I said, don't care if we win or lose. I'm horrible, but we have fun, right? Oh yeah, I should probably show you my outfit that I'm going to wear tonight. I had it on all day today just to make life easy. But that's what's going to happen, and then that will be it. So let me finish cleaning up a little bit here. I'll show you my outfit, and then we'll head out to bocce. It's always fun when you get a nice rain before a bocce game, but we have time yet, so it's supposed to clear up and be really pretty. So I thought, well, while we're waiting around, I'll show you my dress. This is another dress from Quince. This one I did purchase on my own, and it's the linen dress. It's 100% linen. Oh my gosh, I think it's so beautiful. It comes in multicolors. I know I shared this with all of you before, but I do love it. I love the fact that it has pockets, that's button. I like the collar. I like the belt, obviously. And I just have it on with some black flats because we're playing bocce. I don't want to wear heels, obviously, but so here's my outfit for tonight. And probably when we do go to bocce later, I will just end the video there. But I want to tell you, on my next video, I've gotten some new things that I want to share with you. Some new pieces. Since this video is focused around everything I'm loving about the summer season as far as the simple joys of summer, my next video I'm going to be sharing with you some fashion, yes, going into the fall season, but that's what's sort of out right now as well. And if you don't get it now, you're not going to get your hands on the pieces that you really like. And I did get some that I cannot wait to share with all of you. So we're going to be doing that on my next video, my friends. So let's pray that it clears up. We can enjoy a fun bocce game tonight. And I'll just probably leave it with whatever segment I can film while we're there. And tell you all, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed my simple summer joys. And again, let me know in the comment section, what are some of your simple summer joys, and also your simple, well, maybe your favorite summer recipe, as far as what you love. Let's all share in the community and just get a little summer excitement as far as, listen, it's gonna go fast, so let's embrace it and enjoy it. And I know you're saying, well, you're talking about fall fashion, but I'm gonna have to on my next video, like I said, because things go fast, so trust me on this, friends. All right, I love you all so much, and if you enjoy these kind of videos and hanging out with me, and if you have not subscribed, I would surely love for you to subscribe to our amazing community, and also want to follow me along on Instagram. There's my Instagram handle, and I hope you all stay well and stay safe, my friends. Love you, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Don't forget to watch the bocce.